Are you looking for the best portable projectors for iPhone? In this video we will look at some of the best portable projectors for iPhone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Nikon AF SVR Micro, Nikkor 105mm f/2.8G. The Micro Nikkor 105mm may look and feel chunkier than its previous versions, but it's built for heavy-duty product photography, with metal construction that guarantees sturdiness. Micro Nikkor 105mm lens features silent wave motor, SVM, and vibration reduction, VR, technology that allows for close-up and macro shots with impressive sharpness. Hence, we can boldly state that this is one of the best lenses for product photography. This lens may not be zoomable, but the internal focus capability of this lens gives you a fast and quiet autofocusing that doesn't change the length of the lens. Even in low-light places, the f/2.8 aperture is fast enough to capture your object with impressive brilliance, making it stand out from the background. At number 2. Tamron 28-75mm f/2.8. It has a moisture-resistant construction and a quiet AF unit RXD stepping motor that makes it one of the best lenses for product photography. It also features a fast f/2.8 aperture that brings out the best color rendition of any object in your photo. This camera lens is best used when shooting moving subjects, thanks to its precise and high-speed AF that automatically detects the lens position to give you the best shot. We highly recommend using this lens for taking photos or videos on sunny days, and you won't have to worry about any annoying haze on your images or footage. The 0.19 m minimum object distance also makes this lens perfect not only for product photography but street, portrait, and cityscape photography as well. At number 3. Sigma 23-105mm F4.0 Art. Sigma 23-105mm f/4.0 is one of the best lenses for product photography and for several reasons. First, it can excellently focus even in dark places, which makes it even better for close-up shots. Many photographers recommend this lens for its exceptional focus capability, made even better with its budget-friendly price. The reason behind the amazing focus ability of this lens is the hypersonic motor, HSM, and optical stabilizer, OS, technology that compensates for any shakiness. All in all, the Sigma 24-105mm is a high-tech lens that you shouldn't miss out on. It has an installed lens firmware that you can update to adjust certain parameters, including the focus. So if you're going to get this Sigma lens, make sure to always check Sigma's official website for future updates. At number 4. Nikon AFS DX Nikkor 18-140mm. Nikon AFS Nikkor 18 is one of the best Nikon lenses for video. This lens can perform in almost any situation. It can take sharp and crisp photos from wide-angle shots, close-ups, and more. When going to an event, you don't have to carry multiple lenses. The DX Nikkor can cover all your photo/video needs. The VR image stabilization feature of this lens allows you to take sharp videos even at low light conditions or telephoto distances. It also has an extra low dispersion (ED) glass that will render better contrast in your images and videos. Lastly, the SVM allows for ultra-fast and quiet autofocusing. At number 5. Nikon 35mm f/1.8G AFS DX lens. The bokeh effect is widely used in product photography because 1. It focuses the shot on the main subject, and 2. It blurs and beautifies the background. When it comes to bokeh shots, the Nikon DX lens is one you can rely on. This product photography lens makes for a good dramatic bokeh effect on your image using the photo subject isolation technique. For example, its fast f/1.8 max aperture is ideal for creating soft, blurred backgrounds. This lens is compatible with FS and DX in DX crop mode formats, and can perform well even in low-light places. Remember, the AFS DX is a prime lens, which means it is not capable of zooming. Hence, when using this lens, you must adjust your own position closer or farther from your subject for a more optimal shot.